What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a pool on a Discord server. So the first thing that you need to do is to be on a Discord server like I am right now. Then what we want to do is to click on plus button right here. Then as you can see, the third option is to create a pool. We're gonna click on it. Here you have the option to question your pool. So for example, let's say what are we doing today? Then what you need to do is to add the answer to your pool. Like for this tutorial, let's say going to cinema and shopping. Also, you can add more answers if you want. Then you can set the duration of your poll. You can make it 1 hour or even 2 weeks. Then all you have to do is to click on post. Also, you can choose if you want to allow multiple answer. So to post it, let's click on post like so. And as you can see, now we created a poll. So let's vote. Let's go to cinema. And as you can see, the poll is working. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.